Print setup. Under eCAAT, print setup has 5 functions. These are under eCAAT, select tools, select print setup. The first function under print setup is set print area. This function sets print area to the current selection for all worksheets in the workbook. Click set print area. The input screen of set print area would be displayed. The user can either select entire sheet or selected range. We'll select all the sheets, click OK. We'll move on to the next function. The print area has been selected. The next function under print setup is clear print area. This function clears print area for all worksheets in the workbook. Click clear print area. By default, all the sheets are selected. The user can select and unselect the sheets. Click OK. The print area has been cleared. We'll move on to the next function. The next function under print setup is remove page breaks. This function removes all page breaks in the worksheets of the current workbook. Click remove page breaks. We'll select all the sheets, click OK. All the page breaks from the current sheet are removed. Let's move on to the next function. Under tools, select print setup. The next function is print multiple sheets. This function prints multiple worksheets at once. Click print multiple sheets. The input screen of print multiple sheet would be displayed, and by default all the sheets are selected. The user can unselect and select any of the sheets. We'll make the changes as required. Click OK. We'll move on to the last function under print setup. The last function under print setup is insert workbook path and name. This function inserts the workbook's path and file name as a header, footer, or in the current cell. Click insert workbook path and name. The input screen of insert workbook path file name to header foot cell are displayed. The user can make the changes under insert workbook file path name and file path in header. The same way the user can make the changes under insert workbook file name, path in footer, and the user can also make changes under insert workbook file name and path in active cell. The user can use the clear header, clear footer option to remove the clear header as well as clear footer. Click OK once all the changes have been made. A confirmation message would be displayed as file path and file name insert successfully. Click OK.